In today's video, I will show you how to change your Facebook dating location. So, Facebook actually launched its dating feature back in 2019 to help people find meaningful relationships, and it uses your location to suggest matches nearby. If you are traveling or just want to expand your horizons, changing your location is pretty straightforward. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged in. Once on the home page, click on your profile on the top right. Then click the three lines on the left side, and from there, go ahead and click on Dating. Next, click the three dots at the top right and then click on Dating Preferences. Then you will want to click on Dating Location. From here, you can tap Update to refresh your current location or tap Add Locations to use the Match Anywhere feature. This Match Anywhere feature is actually pretty neat because it was rolled out to help long-distance daters or frequent travelers connect with people outside their immediate radius. You can add up to 2 additional locations with the Match Anywhere feature and can change each location once a week. And that's it. That's how you change your Facebook dating location.